Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Berlin Contemporary competition. If you are a designer looking for an opportunity to showcase your collection during Berlin Fashion Week, this is your chance. Let's walk through the application process together. First, register here to create your account. This will allow you to start your application. Once you have signed up, you will receive an email with a link to verify your account. After verifying, log in to get started. After logging in and completing your profile, you will see the main structure. In the dashboard, you can view, update, and delete your application. To begin your application, click the New Entry button. Begin by entering the title of your collection and selecting the appropriate category. There are two categories, Berlin Contemporary and Studio to Retail. This video focuses on Berlin Contemporary, where 19 show and presentation concepts will be awarded this season. Ensure all entries are submitted in English for our international jury. After creating the entry, you can see that the application process consists of 9 steps. Use the left menu to navigate, edit, copy, delete, or print your entry. In the profile section, fill out all requested information. Please also include a link to your online shop and/or a list of stockists. To shorten it up, we already filled out the form and go to the next section. You can always save your progress and return at a later time. In General Information, upload the images and texts as specified. For the de minimis declaration, click the provided link to download the file and fill it out. This document is essential for prize eligibility. Fill in your company information on page 1, choose the right answer on page 2 under 3.1, and fill out the information on previously received public funding or prize money on page 4. Complete all information on page 5 and make sure to sign the form correctly. Your application is only valid if this document is completed. Double check before submitting. Additionally, upload the signed Declaration of Acknowledgement regarding compliance with the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. Enter your name, institution, and address at the top and add the date, location, and signature on page 1. Both documents are provided in German only. If you need translation support, please contact our team. However, the signed uploads must be in German. Next section is about your brand. Describe your brand's USP and explain how sustainability and inclusion are part of your business concept. Define your target audience by age, gender, and affinity group. Always adhere to the given character limits for each question. In this section, please upload an overview of your last 2 collections in a PDF file. Then it is about describing your concept. Here you can upload a visualization of your concept as well as your planned collection, including sketches, reference images, and a mood board. To evaluate your event expertise, provide a short description of a past event you organized. Ensure that all information given are accurate. Section 6 is about communication. Fill out the questions as specified. You can download the communication KPI strategy sheet here. Fill it out by including your brand's press clippings as well as social media KPIs. We have put explanatory comments in the sheet. When filled out completely, upload the sheet in PDF format. Next, financial planning. Fill out the finance plan Excel sheet with total costs, cost breakdown, and project funding details. Example cost points are provided. Please adapt them to your concept. Upload the sheet as a PDF. Please provide a project timeline from preparation and guest management to the final presentation. Outline which aspects are handled in-house and which require external partners. You are nearly done. In 2024, Berlin Fashion Week adapted Copenhagen Fashion Week's sustainability requirements. We are currently in a pilot phase. To participate in the official schedule, you must complete the sustainability requirements survey before applying. The pilot phase will run for 2 more seasons, and by spring-summer 2026, fulfilling the minimum standards will be mandatory for Berlin Contemporary applicants. More details on the process and implementation can be found here. After completing your application, you will see an overview of all your answers. At the bottom of this page, confirm your submission. Once done, click Submit. Congratulations! You have now successfully applied for Berlin Contemporary. A confirmation email will be sent to you and you can revisit your application anytime. Make sure to submit your application until March 24. A jury of experts will review all applications and winner will be announced by the end of April. We hope this guide was helpful. Good luck with your applications and feel free to contact our support if you have any questions.